Amit Shah is participating in the deliberations, and the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service is also being awarded. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankhar stated that a developed India is no longer a distant dream, but an achievable goal, addressing the Developed India 2047 Vision of New India 3.0 conclave in New Delhi. He highlighted India's growing economy, infrastructure and digital progress, praised by the IMF and World Bank. Dhankhar also stressed the importance of transparency, accountability and responsible resource use, urging citizens to embrace vocal for local. He expressed concern over disruptions in Parliament, emphasizing it should remain a space for debate and deliberation, not disturbance.
दुनिया के 50% से ज्यादा इसमें हमारा सहयोग है। साधारण बात नहीं है। In a nation of 1.4 billion people, such kind of technological penetration, adaptation and accessibility, this reflects vision of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. याद ताजा है क्योंकि आज के दिन मोबाइल सबके हाथ में है। कभी 2 निर्माता हुआ करते थे और हम आयात करते थे।